Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be in person or online. So be sure that you're subscribed as well as hit that little bell icon. You'll be alerted whenever I put out new content, and I have a ton coming for you guys. So today's video is going to be part 2 of a thredup unboxing. 100 pounds of mixed clothing from women's, and the first box was decent. You can check out that video prior. I got 55 items in that video, and 4 of them were casualties that I could not sell. The rest is going to be sellable. So praying that we can find some gold nuggets in this one. But let me go ahead and just start the unboxing. There is a ton left to... Excuse me. There is a ton left to do. I just had lunch, so I apologize. And, you know, baby's pushing on me. There's a ton left to do, so here we go. We have some shorts here. It looks like it's just Forever 21 or H&M, that kind of brand. There is no brand tag in here, so I am not sure. That'll go to Plato's and then Style if it doesn't sell at Plato's. All right, this is a Massimo romper. This will definitely be a piece that goes into Style. Now, if I had the time, I would be listing all that myself. I mean, because it will sell, but I'm paying someone to list for me, so it just doesn't add up when I've already paid for the item. Then I have to pay for her, and then I have to put it in inventory, and then I'm going to have to pull it and ship it. So for me personally, it's just easier if I just sell it to Style faster, knowing they're going to take it, and I'll probably get like, you know, $3 to $5 for a romper. All right, this one I have not heard of. Bridge by Gly, G-L-Y. Structured denim brand. It's just got a little bit of fuzzies here, but it's in really good condition. So it just needs lint roll. You probably can't even see it, but it's just like a light lint roll. If it's a good brand, like it feels like, I'll probably be listing this myself. It's a size 30, so it's a good size. All right, this is Mondetta. And these are extra smalls. I like getting ones, workout pants like this size, because extra small fits my daughter. Some of them fit my daughter because she has such a skinny waist. She is only 10. She'll be 11 in July. But when I'm not pregnant, I can wear an extra small depending on the brand. But yeah, so we'll maybe keep these for her, let her try them on, because I don't think that's a very like amazing brand. All right, this is Lucky brand. This will be taken into Style as well. It's cute. Lucky does okay, but again, it's going to be better if I just flip it fast. All right, so Dress Mine. This is definitely just a boutique-y brand, but it's new with tags. And now that I'm getting it out, I see a small stain here at the back. So I'm going to have to try and get that out before I can sell it, if I can sell it. So I'm going to set that in the casualty side. All right, this is a hat. It says Richardson and then Adobe in the back. I have not heard of this brand. This reminds me definitely of a men's hat, but who knows? Richardson style 511. So I don't know, it's kind of cool. I'll have to look it up and decide from there. I've been doing really well with hats over on Macari. They've been selling super fast for me. All right, this is a White House Black Market piece. I'm not sure how it's supposed to go. Oh my. Yeah, so I don't know. It's like a shirt that looks like a 2-piece shirt, but it's the newer, semi-newer tag of White House Black Market. I'll probably just end up selling it to Style Encore. I don't do really well with White House Black Market brand. This is another item that is really cute. Max Studio's okay, but being that it's black, I don't like taking pictures of it because it's hard to get like good lighting. I'll take that into Style. National. This is definitely like more of a retro, almost vintage sweater. So, probably just redonate this one, to be honest. All right, another Reebok workout top. I had one in the previous haul. This will just go into Style Encore. Unfortunately, though, their athletic wear, I only get about $250 to $350 for. I don't know why it's so much lower than regular shirts, but wish list. This is definitely a fall winter sweater, so hopefully Style takes it because Wishlist isn't an amazing brand. But if not, maybe I'll just hold it until next season. All right, limited edition, size 1 jeans. It's got the raw hem. I'll try and take it into Plato since it is a size 1. If they don't take it, I'll just list it because those are cute. But being a smaller size, I really don't want to have to list it. All right, this is an Eddie Bauer skirt. Had to figure out what it was. Eddie Bauer skirt is cute, but it's only a size 2, and I think it's a petite, which is harder. Yeah, it's a petite, which is harder to sell. I'm going to try and take that into Style. I don't even know if they take petites, to be honest. All right, LuLaRoe. Yeah, I'm not going to sell this, but maybe Style will take it. I doubt it because I don't think they take LuLaRoe either anymore, which stinks that it was in my box. All right, Faded Glory. Again, Style Encore. If not, I'll redonate. All right, this one is new at tags. It's Pretty Little Things. This is a cute dress. I just wish it was a little bigger. Yeah, it's got the cutout side. It's got the cutout front. And it's new at tags. It is a smaller size, though. Like an extra small, I think it was. So I'm going to try to take it into Style. Although, yeah, I could probably sell it myself. It's just really hard to sell something that doesn't have any stretch and it's an extra small because there's so many extra small stuff out there. All right, this is Lisette. It looks like a higher end brand tag, and the material feels amazing. So I'll probably list this myself. I'll try to look up comps first and just kind of decide from there. All right, Gap shorts. This is a Style item. And that wasn't a stain, that was some fuzz. All right, Cantina. Not heard of this brand at all, so if you have, let me know. But it says Cantina, New York. There is no size tag, so sadly, if it's not worth it, I won't be listing it at all since they cut the size off of it. All right, this is 41 Hawthorne. So 41 Hawthorne, I would get about $11, $12 at Style Encore for this top. So I'm probably going to go ahead and send it in there. I probably could do pretty well at thredup with it too, which is funny because this came from thredup. But for some reason they passed on it. That doesn't matter though, guys. Sometimes they pass because the person who was buying had no idea, you know? All right, the brand's been cut out of this and sizing, so I cannot sell this guy. So that'll go to the can't sell pile. All right, Willie Smith. I believe it's just like a Kohl's brand or something like that, a department store. But this is like a super dated skirt, so I am just going to go ahead and redonate this one. All right, this is either Zara or... oh, no, Forever 21. I was going to say Zara or Forever 21. It's a really cute skirt, though. It's like a pencil skirt. I'm going to take that into Plato's and Style since it's a small. Forever 21, sometimes if it's a bigger size, I will take the time to list it. All right, this just seems like a department store brand. I see something. And it's black, so it's in good shape. It's going to go to Style Encore, which a lot of the items that I've got is going to go to Style. So I'll let you know how many at the end. J. Crew, extra, extra small. Sadly, I don't think Style takes an extra, extra small anymore, but this is a really cute top. I don't know if I want to take the time to list it, being so small, or maybe I'll just give that to my daughter. I mean, that's a cute style, but it kind of looks big for her still. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm not going to list it and then I do. A Free People New with Tags piece. but it's just a kind of strappy shirt or a dress. Let me read what the tag says. Black combination. Yeah, I think it's just a top. But it is new a tag, so it should do pretty well. Right, this is just a time and true one-piece swimsuit, but it is an extra large. Nope, just a large. It is a large. I'll list this one myself probably for about like 10, 12 bucks. All right, a hot dog hat from City Hunter. I have never heard of this brand, but then that's a cool bucket style hat. I guess somebody might want it. I don't know. All right, another Luaro piece, and it's just like a duster. I will try to take it to style, but I doubt they take it. All right, this is a Lafayette 148, which is, it does really well for thredup as well as Style Encore. I'm just not sure with the style if Style Encore will take it, but if they do, this will be about a $12 piece, which is good compared to the other item or other prices of items you'll get. All right, this is an Under Armour sports bra, and it's a size medium. It's in good condition. I will list this one. I like listing bras. They're lightweight, and they sell pretty quickly. A Talbot's, super dated Talbot's piece. This will be redonated. Because I can, Simone Biles of Athleta. But I mean, I don't even know if that's Athleta, to be honest, because look at the tag. That doesn't seem like an Athleta tag. So maybe somebody just had that made. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm going to run some comps and just see if I can find it. All right, this is a J. Crew Newa Tags shorts. Taking it into style. It's a size 0. All right, 90 degrees, just workout top. Again, this will be something I'm taking into style. Did I see a stain? No. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take it into style. All right, why not? I have not heard of this brand. It feels like it's good material. It's 10% cashmere. So it is decent material. If you know the brand, let me know. I will take the time to list it. It is a lighter weight item. All right, Kittenish. Have not heard of it, but these are cute pants. But they're size medium, and they look really tiny, to be honest. That would be like kind of dress pants that I would list because they're not really dress pants. All right, this is another 90 degrees top, and this one is a small again. Maybe I'll lot those other two up, or I'll just sell it to Style Encore. Rockin' Republic. Probably just, again, sell that one to Style. All right. Bakri, I don't know. Honestly, cannot read the tag. But that's a cute blouse. No tag for material, but yeah, that's a cute blouse. I'll take it into style simply because it is black. It is harder to get good pictures of it. All right, number 1 state. This will be a style piece. The print looks dated, so I don't know if they'll take it. All right, this one has no tag. It's been cut out, but it's a large skirt. But again, no tag. I can't sell it, so it's going in the I can't sell pile. Oh, this is cute. This reminds me of like early 2000s sweater. I think I'm going to keep this one for myself for when I'm not pregnant. It's just a Liz wear, but that is so cute. Put that in the far pile because I may just do that one myself. This was a fun find. It's a Kate Spade, but it's Kate Spade, Live Comfortably. So I don't know. I don't know if that brand of, or that style of Kate Spade does well or not, but being Kate Spade, I'll definitely list that one myself. Loft. This is going into the Plato's and Style pile. That's cute though. And an H&M. Going into the style pile, Joe's A. Banks. This is kind of a dated style, but it's Italian cashmere, so I'll probably go ahead and try and list it myself. An Old Navy extra small. Again, going to style. Victoria's Secret new with tags, kind of cheetah print crop top. It's really cute. It's an extra large too. I'll list that one myself. I feel like I've gotten this brand before, Joe Diffel or something like that. And I can't remember if it was a good brand or not, but it's cute. It's embroidered. I don't know if I want to steam it and list it myself or just sell it. All right, J. Crew. This is all black, just semi-crop top. Again, if you want to see if I actually make money off of Plato's Closet selling this, because you're probably like, ugh, she's not even going to make money off of that stuff, and she has most of it going there. I actually do quite a bit of money too. So you would be surprised. I would love to share what sells out of this with you guys, so make sure that you're following along just to see. All right, Lush. A long blouse shirt. This will go into style. Ellen Tracy dress. Style. Zara. This is really cute. A really cute dress. I'm going to try it and see if it fits me right now because it is a large and it's a long maxi. Perfect for pregnancy. So I'm going to try it on and see because it doesn't really have a whole lot of give. So it just depends on that. All right, this is Gabby style. This will go into style too. And they priced that brand up just a little bit. So I probably get about $8 for that dress. All right, this is a Torrid piece, size 1. I do really well with Torrid, so I'll be listing that one myself. It's not a high-end, like, gonna sell for a ton, but it sells quick. So Athleta, these I will list myself. These are cute. I wish they were a little bigger though. I think they're extra small. Yep, extra small. Those are super cute. All right, so I did not see a tag on this one, but it definitely seems like something that is higher end. So if you see, this whole side is cut off, and I believe this wraps around the waist here, and then where there is no side. But yeah, it's a really, really nice piece. I think my other designer boxes is here. thredup boxes. All right, so it actually ended up being 55 items. I decided to kind of count them because this ended up being a little bit longer than expected too. That was not my thredup package, but another one that is new wholesale supplier that I can't wait to share with you guys. That'll be another video. I want to share this because it's going to be a wholesale site for resellers. So I want to show you what I got and kind of share the company with you in another video. But out of this one, 55 items, 3 were casualties, 2 were just redonate just because of age and style. And then 2 that I'm going to keep for myself, possibly, if it fits. Or 3, because I think maybe one's for my daughter. Yeah, we'll see. So out of all of that, let's see. What's sellable, if I didn't keep the stuff that I am, that's going to be 50 items that is resellable. So far, that is 100 items from both videos that is going to be sellable, which is amazing. So exciting. Now let me break down the next video for you on another day. So today, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and hit that like if you like the content. I'll be putting out a ton for you guys. Let's get this finished. Thanks for watching.